All right. Pearl has figured out the first two levels of the dog worker puzzle, but now we have dog Spinny. So, Pearl, check this out. Do you know what you have to do there? There's little holes all the way around, and all she has to do is figure out to keep spinning that top plate. Oh,
All right.
good girl. Oh, now what are you gonna do? Yeah, that's not exactly the technique that's gonna work. You had it right before. What do you think? Oh, yeah. What do you think? Did you figure out what the technique is? Yeah, no, not searching my hand, but that's also sometimes an effective technique.
It's so cute how she's peeking up.
Right. Well, and this was a little girl who the last time that she was here, she was so bored because it was so cold out, and she was one of the inspiration dogs for we need to get some puzzles around here because got to get those little noggins figured out. So, well, so she's figured out some of it, but she's still not convinced that she can't just push it around.
There,
So,
you just missed one. Uh-oh.
oh, what do you think?
You need another set of eyes.
What do you think?
Oh,
Can you
cute.
move it
Dog
around?
Spinny.
Dog Spinny
Very cute.
from Nina Ottosson.
Sort of reminds me of life. I know it's in there somewhere.
And if I just keep working, there you go.
go.
Good job.
Sometimes
Good
we
job.
have to spin to figure out life.
Right. Good girl. Nicely done.